My dear students, while studying fundamental right, freedom of speech, expression and press, एक फ्रेज आया है contempt of court. आपको इसके बारे में बहुत कुछ जानना चाहिए. आइए इस ज़िमन में कुछ बात करते हैं. Dear student, Article 204 of the Pakistan Constitution 1973 and the Contempt of Court Act 1976 make provisions and confer jurisdiction on the Supreme Court and the High Court to punish any person who abuses, interferes with or obstructs the process of the court in any way or disobeys any order of the court, or scandalized the court or otherwise does anything which tends to bring the court or a judge in relation to his office into hatred, ridicule or contempt, or does anything, my dear students, which tends to prejudice the determination of a matter pending before the court, or does any other thing which by law constitutes contempt of court. Now I am going to share with you कि अगर आपका जो राइट है, जो फंडामेंटल राइट है, फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच, एक्सप्रेशन एंड प्रेस, अगर ये आपको डिनाई कर दिया जाए तो आप किस तरह इसकी इन्फोर्समेंट करवा सकते हैं, क्या रेमेडी आपके पास अवेलेबल है. तो ये आप नोट कर लें कि बिसाइड्स अदर रेमेडीज आपके पास एक रेमेडी है अंडर आर्टिकल 199 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान कि आप रिट ज्यूरिसडिक्शन के तहत अपने राइट को इन्फोर्स करवा सकते हैं. रिट ज्यूरिसडिक्शन क्या है, आर्टिकल 199 क्या है, आइए उसको देखते हैं. Provisions of Article 199 are not confined to cases where the persons against whom the order is proposed to be passed has been performing judicial or quasi-judicial functions. Administrative or executive authorities also fall within the orbit of the jurisdiction conferred by this article on the superior courts. Dear students, Article 199 is very wide in scope and has been introduced to correct the actions of government functionaries which suffer either from lack of jurisdiction or excess of jurisdiction. This article is an omnibus article under which relief can be granted to the citizens of the country against infringement of any provision of law or of the Constitution. If the citizens of this country are deprived of the guarantee given to them under the Constitution illegally or not in accordance with law, then Article 199 can always be invoked for the redress. My dear students, High Court, on application of an aggrieved party, has power to make an order to directing persons performing within territorial jurisdiction of High Court functions in connection with affairs of federation, province or a local authority to refrain from doing anything against the fundamental rights conferred by the Constitution of Pakistan 1973. My dear students, meaning thereby, अगर किसी शख्स का फंडामेंटल राइट्स जो है वो डिनाइड है, एग्जेक्टिव अथॉरिटी उसे डिनाई कर रही है, या फेडरल गवर्नमेंट उसे डिनाई कर रही है, या प्रोविंशियल गवर्नमेंट उसे डिनाई कर रही है, या इवन लोकल गवर्नमेंट डिनाई कर रही है, तो वो अपने राइट को थ्रू आर्टिकल 199 इन्फोर्स करवा सकता है, बिकॉज उसका ये जो राइट है, इट इज एन इनएलिएनेबल राइट.